Cancun es una ciudad en el sureste de México en la costa noreste de la península de Yucatán en el estado mexicano de Quintana Roo. Muchos turistas van a Cancún para visitar. Cancún es muy ocupada, nueva y moderna. Cancun is pretty new considering only 4 decades ago the city had been a deserted island and not many people knew it existed. It was located in an almost forgotten region of the Caribbean. It consisted of sand dunes shaped like a 7, and some parts were only 20 meters wide because they were separated from the mainland by 2 narrow canals that opened out onto a huge lagoon system. Cancun is man-made. Mexico built the city from scratch. The development of Cancun was approved in 1969 and eventually began in 1970, with the construction of a road from Puerto Juarez and a small airfield. They wanted to build a resort that would attract a massive flow of tourists from the United States. Before they could do that, they needed to convince the government that tourism was the fastest-growing, most dynamic sector of economic growth in the world. Also, in January of 1970, only 3 people were living in Cancun. They were caretakers of a coconut plantation. Now this all-round resort hosts over 700,000 residents due to the rapid development. There are 3 types of reefs: barrier reefs, fringing reefs, and atolls. Atolls are often called islands. Cancun has the Maya Barrier Reef. This is one of their major draws, filled with kaleidoscopic marine life, swaying corals, and crystal-clear turquoise waters to swim and snorkel in. It's the second largest coral reef in the world. The white sand beaches are made of crushed coral. The sand is never hot, no matter how high the temperature is. It will only feel cool on bare feet. The temperature averages from 23 degrees Celsius and highs of 27 degrees Celsius. Cancun has an underwater museum in the ocean. It was originally known as the MUSA, or the Museo Subacuático de Arte. The museum welcomes nearly 750,000 tourists yearly. It is an initiative that wishes to divert a large group of ocean divers disrupting the balance of the water in the Caribbean coastline. The museum has 3 galleries that showcase a variety of themes reflecting subtle nuances of fishing. They plan to expand it to 10 more galleries, adding 1,200 statues to the collection. The museum has stationed these pieces deep in the ocean to provide a unique experience of swimming underwater. The galleries are located at a depth of 8 meters. People are able to swim down there, or there is the option of riding a glass-bottom boat or flying through parasailing to see the view. Some Mayan ruins near Cancun are El Rey, Tulum, Coba, and Chichen Itza. El Rey ruins are located in the hotel zone of Cancun. It is part of an important ancient Mayan trade route. It's named after the king's stone sculpture found on the site. The Tulum ruins are located south of Cancun and are considered the most beautiful of the Mayan ruin sites around Cancun. The Coba ruins are different from the other archaeological big sites. It's by 4 natural lakes, which is rare. The Chichen Itza ruin city is the most important city of the Mayan culture. It has the most amazing building of any other Mayan ancient cities. It's also the largest and the most impressive of the Mayan ruins.